Hello everyone, today we'll be taking a look at battery replacement for a Mercedes key fob. This is the Smart Key, used from 1997 onward. It's basically just the black key. They're all the same as far as I know. Basically it starts like this. You'll slide this tab over to release the metal key, and if you look down inside there's a little gray tab that kind of lines up with this piece, although it's not related. So what you want to do is insert this metal key into that tab, and then with your fingernail pry between this gap, and then once you get it started, this simply pulls out, and then you slide out the first battery and the second one will come out, and these are CR 2025s. Alright, and then to put those back in, again just slide those in. It's really neat to see a key fob that has two batteries. That's kind of cool. And then just make sure you have this lined up correctly, and that will slide back in and click. Just make sure it doesn't come back out, and then just simply take the metal key, reinsert that, and you're done.